And the Prophet ﷺ finished the prayer by performing salutation after the 2 units of the Zuhr prayer and faced the people, then completed the remaining prayer. Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu reports that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "My Lord agreed with me in 3 things. I submitted. Number 1, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I wish we would make Abraham's station as a place of our prayer. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed and make the station of Abraham a place of prayer. Number 2, and in case of verse about willing, I submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I wish you may order your wives to observe will, because noble and wicked both talk to them. So the verse regarding will was revealed. Number 3, and when the Prophet ﷺ wives exerted pressure on him, united against him out of rivalry, I said to them, it is possible that if he divorces you, his Lord may give him in exchange better wives than you in Islam. Surah Al-Tahrim, verse 10. And this very verse was revealed. Hazrat Humayd says, I heard the same from Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 402.